In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a navigation bar in Notion. A simple navigation bar can make it much easier to move around your workspace, especially if you have lots of pages and sections. We'll keep things really straightforward and beginner-friendly, so you can follow along in real time. First, start by opening the Notion page where you want your navigation bar to appear. This could be a home dashboard, a project hub, or any page you use frequently. It's usually best to put your navigation bar right at the top of the page, so it's always the first thing you see. Once you're on your page, click into the body of the page where you want the first navigation item to go. Type a /, then start typing link to page. You'll see the link to page option appear in the menu. Click on that. Notion will then let you pick an existing page from your workspace. Choose the page you want to add to your navigation bar. After you've added one link, repeat the same process for the other pages you want quick access to. Type link to page, select the option and choose the page. Do this for all your key sections like your tasks, notes, calendar, or any important project areas. Now that you've created your links, it's time to arrange them so they actually look and feel like a navigation bar. You can click and drag each linked item to reorder them. Place the most important or most frequently used pages first. To make it feel more like a true navbar, you can place the links side by dragging them into columns. Slowly drag a block to the right or left until you see a vertical blue line, then drop it to create a new column. If you prefer, you can also create a simple home link. Type the word home, highlight it, and then click Add Link. Paste or search for your main homepage in Notion and confirm. This turns the word home into a clickable link that brings you back to your main dashboard. As you work, follow the on-screen prompts in Notion. They'll guide you through linking, moving, and formatting your blocks. With just these simple steps, you'll have a clean, functional navigation bar that helps you move around your Notion workspace quickly and efficiently.